In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type in Google Docs. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, these simple steps will guide you through creating and editing documents with ease. First, you'll want to open up your favorite web browser. In the search bar, type Google Docs and hit Enter. This search will bring you to where you can easily access Google Docs among the top results. Once you find the official link, go ahead and click on it. This will redirect you to the Google Docs homepage where you'll see options to either start a new document or open an existing one. Before moving forward, make sure you're logged into your Google account. If you haven't already done so, look for the Sign In option, usually situated at the top right corner of the page. Enter your information, and you'll gain access to all the features Google Docs has to offer. Now that you're logged in, you're ready to dive into your document. You can either open a new document by clicking on the blank option, or select from any of your existing documents if you have some saved. If you start with a blank document, it will open up a fresh page for you to begin typing. Once inside your Google Doc, simply click anywhere within the document area to place your insertion point, then start typing. It's straightforward and intuitive. If you make a mistake or need to delete something, you can do so easily by pressing the backspace or delete key on your keyboard. These keys will remove any unwanted characters or highlighted text. Besides traditional typing, Google Docs has some other handy features for inputting text. You can save time and effort by utilizing the voice typing option. To activate this, navigate to the menu at the top, click on Tools, and then choose Voice Typing. A microphone icon will appear on your screen. By clicking on it, you can start speaking, and your words will be transcribed into the document. Make sure your device's microphone is enabled and working properly for this to function smoothly. If you're looking for even more control over the placement or appearance of text, consider inserting a text box. To do this, go to Insert in the menu, then Drawing, followed by plus New. In the Drawing tool, you'll have the option to create a text box and customize it before inserting it into your document. Moreover, Google Docs offers a quick way to incorporate building blocks like meeting notes or tables. Just type the @ symbol, and you'll see a menu pop up with various options that can be inserted directly into your document. These features not only streamline the workflow, but also enhance the professional look of your documents effortlessly. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to typing in Google Docs. Remember, the more you use it, the more familiar you'll become with all its features. Happy typing!